Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Lexus RX350 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Let's begin this installation by lowering our exhaust. First, support it with a strap. Remove 3 rubber isolators using your exhaust hanger pliers and soapy water. There is one on either side of the vehicle, and the third and final one is forward of the rear crossmember. You can now remove 2 plastic plugs from the side of each frame rail using a flathead screwdriver. Now repeat on the other side. You're now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get a second set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. You can now install your M12 hardware, ensuring the teeth on the conical tooth washer face the hitch. We're now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. We will link them for you in the description below. We will use a 19mm socket. You can now raise the exhaust back into place, beginning with the forwardmost isolator. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5.5 inches. From the ground to the inside top of the receiver is 13 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories, like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.